Okay, to make your molding, you need to get a straight cut from your original molding. Wherever that molding is, whether it's up on the ceiling, on the wall, you just need to get a nice straight cut from it, the best you can. You can use a regular saw. I guess nowadays the best saw would be one of those oscillating saws. But a regular saw will do it. And just take your time. And make it straight. Normally you're not going to be cutting on a board like I am, because you're going to be cutting up on a wall or ceiling, but I don't have anywhere to show you that right now, so I'm just going to show you how to get the molding cut. Okay, there you have it. We're able to cut a nice cut through our molding. And next thing we're going to do is we're going to trace our molding out. Okay, we have our nice straight cut, wherever that may be, ceiling, wall. I like to use a pencil and trace that on your metal because it shows up nice. And be real careful trying to get all your details. I like to use scrap galvanized ductwork because it's free. Okay, there you have it. You can see we have our trace done, and from here we'll be cutting that out and we'll be able to duplicate this molding. So you would actually be up on the ceiling doing this, or on the wall, wherever it is. Get your cut in your molding and get your tracing of it, and then you can go ahead and start making the rest of the stuff to reproduce that piece of cornice, or if you have it on a wall, molding. So that's the start of fixing your cornice. If some of it has dropped from the ceiling, or some it's missing, or cracked, or torn off, or for whatever reason, you just need a straight cut and a tracing.